Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to slice part with the help of a plane. So here I have a model of a housing, and I have slice it 50% on the left hand side and other 50% on the right hand side. And with this slice I can easily see the internal section of my part on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. In fact, FreeCAD 1.1 having the default sections tool, but the slicing feature is a very unique feature of a part workbench. So I will close this file and I will show you how you can slice the part. So here I have a model my housing, and now we will slice it. So here we will check for the plane. So here I can see that I have a mid plane here, but let's assume that we do not have a plane. So we will first create a plane. So let's hide the model and let's create a plane. So here I have selected my plane. Go here and click on the datum plane and keep everything as it is and say okay. So you can see that here datum plane 1. Why I have inserted this plane? Because this time I am going to take a section, or we can say the slice of this part at the mid plane. But let's assume that you wanted to take some at a distance of offset. At that time you can change the placement option here, attachment offset, and here is a position, and you can change the value and slice your part at that location. But in this tutorial I am just going to slice my part with the help of a datum plane. So here is a datum plane is created. Now I will recompute it. Now here I will switch to the part workbench, select the datum plane and go to the part here, and here under the split you will see the option called slice part. So here at least two objects should be selected. So here the trick is, first you have to select the body and then select the datum plane by pressing the control key and go to the part and split and click on the slice part. So you can see that our part is sliced. Now we will go here. So we will see the two portion. One is on the right and other is on the left. Now we can easily move our slice object with the help of a transform tool. Let's say okay. Let's move the other one, transform, and let's move it. So with the help of a slice we can easily take a look at our internal section of a part. Like for my housing, now I can see the internal holes, grooves, and when we slice our part, our original part still exists. If we go here and expand it, so here is our body, which is our original part, and let's move it to the little bit right hand side, say okay. And best part is that you can also export it as a separate step file or STL file of your both the slice one. So here we have used the part workbench slice part features, and you can see that how easily we have created it with the help of a datum plane. So now let's move the position of this datum plane and let's see what happens. So here in the attachment offset I will go to the position and let's on our datum plane. So let's go to the attachment option. Let's make in a Z direction. Let's make a 10 mm. So here our datum plane, let's hide the body, and you can see that as I have move it, so you can see that with respect to the plane my slice is also got modified. So here if you see in my datum plane I have changed it to the 10 mm. So you can see that here is my origin plane and my plane is got to move in a x directions and our slice is modified. Let's move to the -10. So you can see that now this one is got sliced, and let's make this value 0 so that it come to the at the original location. Press enter. So you can see that now both are at a 50-50. So you can see that after changing the plane position our slice portion is also getting modified. So this is the very good tool to check the part sections at different locations. So this is all about this tutorial, how to slice a part with respect to the plane with the help of a part workbench. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time. If you wanted to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. In this course you will learn everything from the basics, and you can see the complete course structure. It will start from the introduction of a FreeCAD, customization, sketching, fundamentals of a part modeling, mechanical part modeling, assembly, technical drawing, and mechanical projects. You can also visit the link to watch the demo lectures and make your decision. Here if you buy this course, it is a one-time payment with a lifetime access, no subscription and no renewal. Let's talk about the core feature of my course. It is a more than 30 hours of a structured video training, and I always update this course on equal interval of a time. You can start from the basic. You do not have any need of a prior CAD experience of any softwares. I also provide the tutorial source file, respective video lectures, 2D drawing you will get, and real engineering projects, not just basic shapes. I have a experience. I have a blended my mechanical journey into my course, and best part is that it is a lifetime access and you can learn at your own pace. So please check out the link given in a video description and pin comment.